Well, it's not perfect, but this is the garage door now. So my man cave is also my garage and my outdoor kitchen too, where I cook. I wanted these strips here to look like wood, which I think they do, like varnished wood. So I painted them a different color than the nutmeg. Unfortunately, I didn't get the proper technique down until I was almost finished. So that looks a little spotty, unfortunately, but you can see I learned correctly how to do it. Smooth strokes back and forth. No hodgepodge. So by the time I got down to here, I was a little better with it. It's more of a solid color, but that's all right. It's a garage, and it looks a lot better than it did before. It needed to be clean, and I thought, well, if I'm cleaning it, I'm already working on it, why not paint it up too? It's about 14 years old, this garage door, insulated. So this is what I've been doing instead of cooking lately. Hope you like it, because I do.